name is
My name is
My name is
Siti Nur.
Sama Ibrahim bin Samsudin.
Siti Malina binti Kamarudin. I'm from AP229 Class 3B. Hello, this is a video presentation about safety and health related to building construction. From the building control perspective, our main topic for today is personal protective equipment. We continue with the definition of personal protective equipment.
PPE stands for personal protective equipment. Decreases exposure to hazards. It is clothing or equipment designed to protect workers from hazards on the job, like chemical hazards, puncture hazards, flame heat hazards, mechanical hazards, contact control, but precautions, electrical hazards. It's better for preventing minor injuries and discomforts for the day. Give focus to the task more better and feel safer. It's important so the worker can work without any worries.
Next, this is the type of PPE in construction.
Hello and good morning. There are many types of personal protecting equipment in the construction industry that helps us protect ourselves. Shown in this news are the personal protective equipment that are available for workers. Firstly, the most important part to protect is our head. Wearing a safety helmet is one of the easiest ways to protect an employee's head from any injury. There are three widely used: hard hat, which is the class G for general, the class E for electrical, and class C for conductive. The next protection is for the eyes and face. Employees can be exposed to many hazards that pose danger to their eyes and face. This is to ensure that they are protected for any hazard that comes from any flying particles, acid or caustic, liquid or vapors. The equipment that can help protect are safety glasses, safety goggles, face shields, and welding face shields. Next in the line of protection equipment is the respiratory protection. Respirators work by either filtering the air or chemical cleaning the air or supplying clean air from other sources. The equipment that can help protect are particulate respirators, gas mask respirators, and powered air purifying respirators, also known as PAPR. For the next protection equipment is for the hand. The proper use of hand protection helps to protect the hand from any hazard such as punctures, thermal burns, chemical burns, or extreme temperature. There are many types of gloves available today to protect against a wide variety of hazards such as chemical resistant glove, cut resistant glove, heat resistant glove, and leather glove. The final place to protect is the foot and leg. Safety shoes have impact resistant toes and heat resistant soles that protect the feet against hard work surfaces common in roofing, paving, and hot metal industry. There are many types of protecting shoes such as impact resistant shoes, heat resistant shoes, and metal shanks. As for protection against the current pandemic, the COVID-19, each workers need to wear face masks when working with close proximity with other workers. They also need to use hand sanitizer. The hand sanitizer is to disinfect any virus on our hand when we are touching anything between our workers or the objects in the construction site. That's all. Let's move on to other segments. Thank you.
Moreover, personal protective equipment, who are the person need to wear the equipment?
Hello, good evening. Welcome to Control News. Our headline tonight in construction different sites. Person has its own responsibilities. These employees are working together to achieve a common goal, which is to complete the construction project that they are involved in. From a helmet blue color to white color, doing their job responsibilities. Each had their own contribution to get the project done. The safety of each individual working in a construction environment is the primary priority. Certified PPE standard who in construction wear property construction attire to reduce or at least prevent and protect them against the safety risks to be able to achieve health throughout the course of the construction. Among them are construction labor, superintending officer, project engineer, carpenter, electrician, and plumber.
Besides that, we should know the importance of PPE for every opponent.
So a noun is a person, place, or thing. A verb is an action word. Max, something to share with the class? Come on.
The importance of personal protective equipment or PPE can help to prevent risk injury. Safety nets is also a major issue that causes accident in the construction industry. The purpose is to reduce employee exposure to hazard when engineering controls are not visible. In order to reduce this risk to suitable levels, this hazard can be any in between. Apart from that, PPE includes items such as safety boots, protective helmets, eye protection, etc. So wear PPE. It's important to know that safety equipment provided should meet the PPE regulations, and that is which meet the right size, fit, and the height of each user in any workplace environment. So here are some of the reasons why it's important to use PPE in the workplace for laborers. Long-term troubles may result from failure to save yourself. Exposure to different chemicals can have effects on your body. It may certainly be an example. Until then, please wear PPE. Wear PPE to safeguard your health and well-being.
Next, how PPE works to the opponent. The way it's used during construction. The business benefits of PPE. So, this is the personal protective equipment, PPE. It's a legal requirement under the Personal Protective Equipment Award Regulation 1992. Within these regulations, as a business owner, it's your duty to ensure This is the effect if you're not wearing personal protective equipment during construction at site.
The word PPE is so dangerous, and it can lead to health problems and injuries. It might feel fun at first, but after a long time it will show the difference. Exposure to chemical and material can cause cancer or life-threatening illnesses, and also can be ground for disciplinary action or even dismissal. Contract to make health responsible and a receipt.